Welcome back dear students. In previous video we discussed about types of farming. Now let's discuss about farming methods. As India is a diversified country, Indian farmers are using various methods of farming such as organic farming, sustainable farming, mixed farming, etc. Let's discuss these methods one by one. First of all, we'll discuss about organic farming. In India, Sikkim state is ahead of organic farming. Organic farming is the production of crops and livestock without the use of synthetic chemicals and inorganic fertilizers. Organic farming aims at the human welfare without harm to the environment, which is the foundation of human life itself. This type of farming aims to increase long-term soil fertility. It also ensures that water stays clean and safe. It also produces nutritious food, feed for animals and high quality crops to sell at a good price, because nowadays people are more health conscious and organic products are in demand, and farmers are getting good return in organic farming. In organic farming, farmers use animal manure, compost and human sewage which has been heated to destroy the harmful microbes to make their crops grow. Organic products contain natural taste, sweetness and fragrance. There are minerals, vitamins and life energizing elements in these crops. Nowadays organic farm products are more in demand, so the farmers are also getting good return and profit in this type of farming. Next is sustainable farming. Sustainable farming is the practice of farming using principles of ecology and balance of environment, the study of relationship between organisms and their environment. This type of farming enhances the quality of life for farmers and society as a whole. This type of farming enables us to produce healthful food without compromising future generations' ability to do the same. There are many benefits of sustainable farming, such as environmental preservation, protection of public health, sustaining vibrant communities, upholding animal welfare, etc. Next type of farming is mixed farming. Mixed farming is a type of farming which involves both the growing of crops and the raising of livestock. The cultivation of crops alongside with the rearing of animals for meat or milk defines mixed farming. For example, a mixed farm may grow cereal crops such as wheat or rye and also keep cattle, sheep, pigs or poultry. Now let's take new topic, agricultural products of India. As India is a vast country with various types of climates in different directions of India, so farmers of India grow variety of products as per the seasons. The agricultural crops of India can be grouped into three categories. These categories, or we can say the cropping pattern of India, is Rabi crop, Kharif crop and Zaid crop. Let's take these cropping pattern one by one. First of all, we take Rabi crop. Rabi crop is sown in winter from October to December and harvested in summer from April to June. Important crops are wheat, barley, peas, gram and mustard. States such as Punjab, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu Kashmir and Uttarakhand and Western UP are main Rabi crop producing states. Availability of precipitation during winter months due to the western temperature cyclones help in the success of these crops. The success of green revolution in Punjab, Haryana, Western UP and parts of Rajasthan has also been an important factor in the growth of Rabi crop. Main examples of Rabi crops are wheat, mustard and peas, etc. Next crop is Kharif crop. These crops are grown with the onset of monsoon and harvested in September and October. Important crops grown during this season are rice, or we can say paddy, maize, jowar, bajra, tuar, also called arhar, moong, urad, cotton, jute, groundnut and soybean. Some of the most important kharif regions are Assam, West Bengal, coastal regions of Orissa, the Konkan coast, UP and Bihar. Now you can see some pictures of kharif crops like rice, millets and maize, etc. Next is Zaid crops. In between the Rabi and Kharif seasons, there is a short season during the summer months known as the Zaid season. Zaid crops are grown mainly from March to June. Some of the crops produced during Zaid are watermelon, muskmelon, cucumber, vegetables and fodder crops and sugarcane, etc. Here you can see some pictures of Zaid crops such as watermelon, bitter gourd, cucumber and muskmelon, etc. Dear students, in next video we will study about major agricultural crops of India such as wheat and paddy, etc. Thank you.